Okay, so jumping right into this video, I'm going to show you guys my braid down. I literally just braid down some twists, and you want to make sure you leave hair out in the front. So this is the hair. I'm going to have everything linked in the description box for you guys as usual. So I'm starting with 5 clips around the back. You want to do the length with the most around the back and kind of wrap it around your head because you want the back to be really full so you don't have like any of the braids or anything showing. So then you're gonna do another 5 clips as well. I did it off camera, but you get it. Next, you're gonna do 4 clips. So we're still filling in that middle part, kind of putting the clips a little close together, but leaving a little space in between because you don't wanna run out of hair. So we're going in with another 4 clips again. This time we're going to start at the side because you want to start filling up the front because the middle is pretty much good. But you're going to still connect it like in the middle, but you want to start, like I said, just getting that front filled in. So next we're using 3 clips and we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side, fill in the front. So now we'll be using another 3 clip, and instead of like wrapping it around like we usually do, we're kind of going to do it a little forward because we're doing the flip over method. So then you're going to use 2 clips and just fill in that front part. This is very important because this format of laying down the clips is what's going to allow you to like have that flip over method compared to if you were doing it horizontally, you wouldn't have the same look. So the reason I did the front first and then left this for last, you kind of want to make sure that front is filled in because that's the most important part, and then you can kind of play around with the middle, but you definitely need hair in the front. So now I'm going to go ahead and define the curls really quickly with some water and mousse. Very simple. The diffuser is optional. You could make it air dry, but anybody got time for that? So I'm using a diffuser. If you don't have a diffuser, you can use a blow dryer as well. I want the hair to look a bit bigger because it's easier for me to blend my hair with it than when it's kind of in this wet and wavy state. I would probably just be very hard to blend my hair. Okay, so now for the blending, I'm going to show you guys this option. This is if you need to do this in an express way. You can do tiny wand curls in the front, or you can also like do perm rods if you have time and leave that in overnight if you want to avoid heat. That's another option. So what I'm going to do after I curled it, you're pretty much just going to separate the hair and you're going to do like a very tiny twist and twist your hair into the extensions. This can also be done with like literally any texture. Like this is the best way to blend your hair with the extensions seamlessly. guys see what I mean? You literally cannot tell where my hair starts and the hair ends. This is it. Very quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As I mentioned before, I'll have everything in the description box for you guys. And yeah, I will see you next week.